Hello everyone, welcome for the tutorial. Here we are going to make a beautiful panel for your home. That's a welcome home with a key holder. So let's see what's inside the kit. So you're gonna get a lot of products inside this one. Stencil and a base to work from. Now to the base and letters, I'm going to take my light out color. That's a chalk paint by iCraft. The shade is light out, and we're going to color this one. Now I'm taking upper layer of the space and we'll be using here a decoupage paper first. Here the entire big sheet has been given, and we will be just using this corner part. First we will trim it randomly with the scissors. Now I will place my paper, and again extra we will be trimming. Align your base straight together with parallel, and now using a decoupage glue I will be sticking my paper. Just apply your glue on the edges of base. Once my glue is done, I will stick my paper on the edges. And the extra paper we will be trimming. You have to make sure if some edges are there. Now I'm going to use my other two shades of chalk paint on the base, and will let this color flow on my edges as well as of the paper. And you can just randomly mix two shades and create a beautiful color combination. Here my beautiful texture of paints and a decoupage blending. The base is ready. Now I'm going to use my stencil here on the edges. For the stencil I will be using my light out shade. Not going to do all over, just randomly at few places. Just giving a background effect. Now arranging my vases, each and every part here. Now I will be sticking them with my glue. Now I'm using a thread which is inside the kit. Just will break it into the pieces, and let's pass from one from here, and at the back side I will be just tying a knot. You can keep a gap between two pieces. Extra thread we can trim it off. So this is how we will attach each and every part with each other. Now I'm going to use my pearls.